Good afternoon. This time, we're looking at the Done For You blog, which is the program that I'm part of. If you join us as a lifetime partner, a founding partner, which is there is great incentive in doing so. You can become a partner after our pre-launch period, but you miss out on a lot of bonuses if you join. You can have this system, and you can check out what's on offer. Once you create a free account, you will get the emails and um, join our Facebook group. It'll say there what you get, but this is looking at a system that they give you, which is quite marvelous. You're getting some of the best themes in the world. So themes are templates and the website world instead of apps. It's plugins. So you're getting quite a lot of plugins that cost thousands of dollars on their own. So there's quite a lot that we can look at this. So it's hosted by WordPress. So if you visit the site, if it loads up, yeah. So mine's is givevaluefirst.com. So all you really need, if you are a partner, to have this service is purchase a domain name and also hosting, which gives you training how to set it up. So that is the website. But if we go back, we can look at some of the features of this. So click here, and this is the just into that logo, so I'll come out of that again. And this is just refreshing if you had recent blogs published, which I do, so one a week. And this is just the updates from WordPress. You can add your own plugins, but the company gives you the best ones. So this would just be when you're doing a new blog post. If you see my video on AI, that can really help you do a blog and write it for you. And this is just click on each one. Too much stuff loaded up. Yeah, probably do. It's really slow loading up. Let's see. So that's how you'd click on there, get a post, and then the media. That's if you wanted to have done a video and you want to do that instead of a blog, and that can take you to your pages. A landing page is a pre-page before they go into the website, so you can build that with WordPress, but we have our own landing pages. And you've got certain templates. The pretty links, if you've got a long, ugly link, you can shorten it, but we have our own system as well for doing these things. And it's taken to the page header, and you can have forms which do surveys and things like that. So just get out of that. And this is just the update button. Any updates that need to be done, you just sort of do them really. And this is our theme. If you go into the dashboard, that runs a little bit slow today. Right, so here is the Moss theme, which we do uh, for you, and then you've got your template, so you can have on the website. It just showed you it's got a template, and you're just really filling in blanks, and it shows you on the Astra theme how to get started, so you can change the colours and optimize the fonts and use one of their templates. You're not really building the website, you're using their templates, and you can just change certain images, certain layouts and things. Um, like that. So if you go into customize, does load up, slow, it'll load eventually. Yeah, so if you go in, there's certain bits that you can do here. It should come up. So yeah, this would be editing, and you can edit all different parts of the site. You can do that with these, and also the layout, and then look at all your posts, media, forms, comments that you have from your blog, and then you've got Elementor theme, which is a different theme as well. So there's quite a lot of plugins, and Astra theme is the one we use. So there is a 2-hour teaching how to set up websites. There's quite a lot involved in it, but it's only if you're a lifetime partner, so you can certainly check this our program out, and I'll put the link in the description. Hope to see you on the inside. Bye bye for now.